Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my video first time, my name is Meena and I'm professional makeup artist based from UK. So guys, today I'm creating very dramatic Christmas makeup look, green eyeshadow with red bold lipstick. So guys, I will show you step by step without delay time. Let's begin. So guys, I'm going to start with my skincare. So I'm going to clean my face properly first. Any old makeups left or anything, I need to clean properly first. So make sure you clean your face properly before you start makeup. So after clean, I'm going to apply toner. So toner I'm using from Foreverliving Aloe Vera rehydrating toner. So guys, remember that after cleaner must apply toner to help close your pores. Next I'm going to apply moisturizing. So moisturizing I'm using from Foreverliving Aloe Vera R3 Factor Skin Defense Cream, Retain, Restore, Renew Smoothing Skin Cream. It helps retain the skin natural moisturizing. So guys, this is the amazing products all from the Foreverliving Aloe Vera. I'm going to put all products information in description box. So you can see how hydrating. So next I'm applying primer. So primer I'm using from Morphe, long lasting makeup. So guys, before makeup is very important to do your skin care. Then I'm going to apply eye cream. So eye cream I'm using from Clinique eye cream, very lightweight, non-greasy, help to reduce black circle eyes, puffiness, anti-aging effects and wrinkles. Next I'm applying lip balm. This is from Vaseline's Rosy, to keep my lips plump and smooth for later on when I apply lipstick. So next I'm doing correcting. So corrector I'm using from the Mua peach color correcting. Then I'm just going to blend it out. Then I'm going to apply foundation. So foundation I'm using from Morphe F340 matte. Just apply dot first. So this is medium to full coverage, so I'm not going to put too much. First I'm going to apply a little bit, then I'm going to build up. Then I'm taking damp beauty sponge, then I'm going to blend out. Don't forget to apply in your neck. Next I'm applying concealer. So concealer I'm using from Maybelline Shade 04. This is a stick. Then I'm taking beauty sponge, then I'm going to blend out. Next I'm taking loose translucent powder, then I'm going to apply under my eyes before I start crease concealer. So I'm taking small brush like that. You can use your powder puff to apply. Next I'm doing contouring my face. So contour I'm using from Maybelline stick. This is a little bit dark color, so I'm going to put very little amount. Then I'm going to use brush to blend out today. Then just blend out upward. So this is a little bit darker normally at what I use. Next again I'm going to use loose translucent powder. Then I'm going to apply around my T-zone and around little bit face. Not too much, otherwise your skin become very dry. Just apply where you start to sweating. Next, I'm doing my eyebrows. So using eyebrow comb, then I'm just going to comb my eyebrow upward. And I'm using eyebrow pencil from Mua black color. Then I'm just going to fill this sparse area. Next, I'm going to clean my eyebrows. So I'm using small flat brush like that, and I'm using same concealer. Same concealer I'm going to apply top of the eyelid as well. And top of eyebrow as well. Then I'm taking a small beauty blender, then I'm going to blend out. You can use small brush to blend. Next, I'm going to apply loose translucent powder in eyelid for long lasting eye makeup. Next, I'm doing eye makeup. So eyeshadow palette I'm using from Revelation Chilled. As you can see, it's beautiful colors there. So I'm going to use green color and dark brown and some skin color. Then I'm going to create some Christmas dramatic look eye makeup. Before that, I'm going to apply baking powder under my eyes, if any fall down, so we can clean. So I'm going to leave like that till I finish the eyeshadow makeup. So first color I'm taking skin color, very light skin color. Then I'm going to apply whole my eye crease and eyelid, and taking floppy brush. Then second color I'm using very dark brown color, it's called Burn. Then I'm going to apply in my eye crease, taking little bit small brush, and then just pack in first. Then blend out. Don't take too much amount first. It's very pigmented, so make sure you not take too much product first. Blend out properly. Then I'm taking another color lighter than the before, is called Cool. I'm just going to diffuse where darker color is, and I'm going to blend out properly. Make sure you blend out properly and diffuse together. Next, I'm going to apply concealer, just half, middle of the eye. After cut crease, then I'm going to apply green color, it's called Leaf. I'm going to apply again dark brown color, outer corner eyes, to give smoky effects. Next again I'm taking lighter brown color, then going to diffuse green and dark brown color to make sure there is no harsh lines. Next I'm going to apply the glitter. Green one is called Goddess. I'm going to apply by my finger. Next I'm going to clean any fallout. Next I'm going to clean the side to keep sharp and clean look. I'm just going to blend out from my finger slowly. Next I'm going to apply the eye pencil from Silk. I'm just going to apply waterline. Next I'm using the lighter brown color to apply under my eyelashes. Then just smooth out. Next I'm applying the same green color to my eyelashes and smoke out. Next I'm taking highlighter, it's called Calm. Then just going to apply in my eyebrow bone and corner of my eyes. Next I'm applying the mascara from Iconic. So guys, I finished my eye makeup. You can apply eyeliner or fake eyelashes. So I'm not going to apply any eyeliner or fake eyelashes. It's already very dramatic look. Next I'm going to apply the blush from Kimuse. This is the liquid blush. Next I'm applying highlighter from Morphe. This is a stick. See how beautiful this is. Next I'm going to use bronzer. I'm going to apply it in my nose to give little bit sharpness look. Next I'm going to apply very bold red lipstick liquid. So guys, you can apply nude colors, but I'm going to apply very red color today. So I'm creating very dramatic look. Next I'm using very red eyeshadow for long lasting and mattifying. When you drink and eat, your lipstick not going anywhere. I'm going to apply same highlighter in my nose and lips as well. Guys, this is my final look. You can see it looks very dramatic Christmas look. Sparkling green eyes, very bold red lipsticks, Christmas jumper on and Christmas hat on. So I'm ready for Christmas. So I love this look. So guys, hopefully you liked my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and Merry Christmas everyone. Enjoy with the family and take care.